Hey guys, we're off to another canoe trip. This time I've got my wife Carrie with me.
Hello there.
Hey guys, we're headed to Quetico Provincial Park. Some of the best flatwater paddling in the world. We're really lucky, we only live a couple hours away. We're gonna go do a 7-night trip. So we made it to our first site. This looks great here. Nice breeze, beautiful location. I don't know why people do this all the time. This is firewood, all kinds of small stuff and green. And then over here, the fire pit looks like hell, and they've tried to burn some giant pieces. Oh yeah, over here, you know, 2 of these trees fell down and they're using them, but they're green still, which, you know, they're not going to burn well. I get that. I've already seen plenty of dead stuff I can get. There's a nice piece of maple over there. Maple's pretty rare around here, but it's great firewood. And there's a dead one over there. I'm going to go grab that with my saw and clean up this place a little. So there you go. There's a living maple right there and a dead one right here. I'm going after that. So the end of that maple was rotted off the stump, so I just had to pull it out here. The rest of it is very, very dry. That's probably all the firewood I'm going to need tonight. Really like that saw. So Carrie has the tent set up over there with the bedding spread out. I've got the fire pit organized and firewood cut. Should be lots for us tonight and some for the next people. Right, so here's the new and improved fire pit. All cleaned up. It'll fit that grill nicely. That's a brand new grill I have. I used to bring an old barbecue replacement grill and I've upgraded to a nice one, so I'm happy about that. I've rearranged the rocks and I put a bunch of them flat so that I can put pots on and put a nice reflector up in the back there, so we should be set. So I'm going to burn a bunch of this maple, maple that's about wrist size. So supper tonight, first night supper. We've got a steak that I froze and I put Montreal steak spice on it and oil, and it's still a little bit cool. It's almost air temperature. I cut up and fry some mushrooms. In here I've got onions and foil, and it says butter, but that's potatoes with butter and foil, and I'll roast those on the grill. So here's the setup. I've got the grill on and I've broken down the fire. The fire was quite a blaze for a couple minutes, but I've knocked it down and put all the sticks in the same direction, and those flames will subside slowly. And I've put the water right on the grill, and I've got the foil packets beside the grill, and as soon as the flame dies down a little more, they can go right on. Okay, this isn't butter, this is ghee, or clarified butter. Made some just before we came on this trip. I'm going to use it to saute down those mushrooms. So the wood's really burned down. We've just got some nice coals left. Perfect for cooking a steak. I've got my potatoes cooked back here. They're just keeping warm. And my onions, I've got some water that's already been boiled. And my mushrooms are standing by. So time for the steak. Looking good. Alright, here's my steak. Leave all the jus in there if I can. I'm looking for medium rare, but I'll accept medium. I'm hoping it's not too overdone. Oh, feels okay. I'm going to start right in the middle. Might be easier to cut that way. Do half of it. No, it's a little bit overdone. Just past medium. My mistake. I still think it's going to taste good. This end of the steak is perfect. Exactly what I was going for. Well, those are looking good. I thought they might be more roasted, but they're cooked. I can tell they're cooked. All right. All right. Hey, here we are.
Cheers.
Sure, yeah. Absolutely.
First
Cheers.
night.
First night. We haven't been canoe camping together for a long time.
15 years.
15 years since we've been
years.
canoe camping together. We've done it with kids. How's your steak?
It's really good.
Yeah? I thought I overcooked it a little bit, but it's good. You don't have any onions on yours.
I'm good with that.
Okay. So we're just kicking off a 7-day canoe trip here in Quetico Provincial Park. Quetico probably has some of the best flat water paddling in the world, and it's only a couple hours away from our house. We've been doing other adventurous things, and we've kind of overlooked this for the last few years. So we're coming back. We're going to do a 7-night trip and see the west part of the park. And before I'm done this quick little video, I want to say thanks. Yesterday I clicked over 5,000 subscribers, so thanks guys. I really appreciate that. It was only 2.5 months ago that I was out on a canoe trip and just clicked over to 4,000, so 2.5 months, 1,000 new subs. I'm pretty happy about that. Thanks guys. Oh, and cheers. Got wine on a canoe trip, we might as well say cheers. Thanks guys.